Второй класс, английский язык, Звездный Английский, домашнее задание, моя одежда, страница 85, 86, 87, 88, 89. English. Starlight 2, my clothes, homework, page number 85, 86, 87, 88, 89. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga and I'm your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. What's your name? Where are you from? What's your name? Where are you from? How long have you been here? How long have you been here? What's your name? Where are you from? How long have you been here? Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 85, 85. Exercise number 1. Read and put tick or a cross, then write. Посмотри на картинки, затем напиши the answer. I am reading. I am not drawing. She is not flying. She is drawing. It is not snowing. It is raining. They are jumping. They are not flying. He is playing football. He is not playing the piano. We are not wearing jeans. We are wearing dresses. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 86, 86. Exercise number 2. Complete the sentences. Then look and choose the right answer. Закончите предложение, затем посмотрите и выберите правильный ответ. The answer. Is she wearing a blue dress? No, she isn't. She is wearing a red dress. Who is she? Fiona. Is he wearing blue shorts? No, he isn't. He is wearing green shorts. Who is he? Alex. Am I playing the drum? No, I am not. I am playing the tambourine. Who am I? Jenny. Is it standing on the wall? No, it is not. It's climbing a tree. What is it? A cat. Are they playing a game? No, they are not. They are singing. Who are they? Molly and Emma. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 87, 87. We must do exercise number 3. Look at the pictures and complete the questions and answers. Посмотрите картинки и ответьте на вопросы. The answer. What are the monkeys doing? They are playing football. What are the snakes doing? They are flying. What are the birds doing? They are listening to music. What is the frog doing? It is playing the guitar. What is the spider doing? It is reading a book. What is the elephant doing? It is drawing. What is the lion doing? It is playing the drum. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 88, 88. Exercise number 1. Look at the pictures and complete the sentences. Посмотри на картинки и закончи предложение. Put on your hat, your jacket, your socks. The answer. Put on your hat. Put on your jacket. Put on your socks. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 2. Look at the pictures and match them to the words. Посмотри на картинки и сопоставь их со словами. Hat, jeans, jumper. Boots, dress, jacket. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 3. Page number 88. Look at the pictures. Find and write the words. Посмотрите картинки, найдите и напишите слова. Socks, t-shirt, shorts, cap, vest, shoes. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 4. Read and color the items. Exercise number 4, page number 89. Посмотрите на картинки и ответьте на вопросы. The answer. What color are the T words? Red. What color are the S words? Green. What color are the C words? Yellow. What color are the B words? Pink. What color are the J words? Blue. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye. My dear friends, repeat season of the year. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Лето. Summer. It is summer. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is summer. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Зима. Winter. It is winter. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is winter. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Весна. Spring. It is spring. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is spring. My dear friends, look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Осень. Autumn. It is autumn. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is autumn. The year is divided into 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. Repeat the poem about season of the year. Spring is green. Summer is bright. Autumn is yellow. Winter is white. My dear friends, and now we must repeat months of the year. Repeat after me. December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November.